Hello, in front of me I've got Turtle Beach Burst 2 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to set up Easy Shift function. Easy Shift function adds another layer of button functions to your mouse. To set it up, let's go to Swarm to App and Settings. Go to Assignment, Easy Shift. Now you can select function for Easy Shift buttons. You can select them from the list on the right side. To set up Easy Shift, let's go to Primary, select Button, and select Easy Shift. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.